Get ready for the wildlife.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's Bedazzled Wednesday, I will be sharing with you how I created this sultry and smoky halo eyes that I created with the Beauty Creations Tease Me palette. So if you wanted to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, to start off, we are going to apply the shade Pleasure using the Suviva Luxe Crease Brush on our crease. Again, we are going to build it up to blend it easier, just like the first tutorial that I did. Next, we are going to apply the shade Innocent with the Suviva Luxe Petite Crease Brush on the outer and inner corner of our eyes to deepen it out, leaving a space in the center of our lid. And when your brush doesn't have a lot of product, blend it on your crease to deepen it as well. Don't forget to blend it out to remove the harsh line. And then we are going to highlight our brow bone using the shade Lice and the Suviva Luxe Smoky Shader Brush. And again, blend it out to remove the harsh line. Since we are applying a pressed glitter on the center of our eyes, we have to apply a base. You can use a concealer just like what I'm doing here or a glitter glue. Then apply the shade Lust on the center of your lid where you apply the concealer or glitter glue. Just press this eyeshadow on your eyes to prevent a lot of fallout, then blend the edges with a shader brush to remove the harsh line. To further deepen the inner and outer corner of your eyes, apply the shade Charming using a small crease brush. And again, when your brush doesn't have a lot of product, blend it on your crease to deepen it as well. To define the lower lash line, I'm applying the shade Charming using the Suviva Detail Shader Brush. And to blend it out, I'm applying the shade Pleasure using the Suviva Luxe Pencil Brush. This part is optional, but if you wanted to make your lashes look fuller, use a black liner to tightline your upper waterline. This will also help define your eyes without applying an eyeliner on your upper lash line if you have hooded eyes. On my lower waterline, I'm applying the Pinkies Collection Smooth Silk Liner in the shade Brown to define it as well. And I'm applying a very thin liner on my upper lash line just to hide the bond of the false lashes that I'm applying later. But since I wanted my eyes to look rounder, I'm not going to create a wing. Then we are curling our lashes and apply the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise on our upper and lower lashes. Then pop in your favorite falsies. And lastly, to brighten up the inner corner of your eyes, apply the shade Kiss Me on your tear duct area. That's it for this week's Bedazzled Wednesday. I hope that you will enjoy recreating this look, and if you did, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and please hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget what they always say to you guys, don't let your dreams just be dreams, make your dreams possible, and I will see you guys again on Friday. Bye guys! So in today's foundation try-on, I will be sharing with you guys my honest opinion about the EB Advanced Studio Finish Stick Foundation. So if you guys wanted to know if this foundation is worth your money, then just keep on watching.